Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Today I'm going to tell you how to take certain action against your project. So just take your cursor upon the project. Three dots will appear after the name of the project, as you can see here. Just click on those. So first actions against your movie would be play movie. The other is open it. The third is share it. What is share? I'll tell you that in later video. You can rename your project, duplicate or delete. I want to do none of them. It was just for your information. Now let's open the project. So let us see our project. Spicy chilies at my home. So now let us talk about the three main elements of a video. So the three main elements of a video is the video itself, some titles and transitions, and the third one is audio. So today I am going to tell you how to add audio upon your video. Just click on the audio tab over here. Whatever I am doing, it is in iMovie. So select an audio from there. You can get a preview of your audio by pressing this play and pause icon, music, like this. So now if you want to add it to your timeline, just press the E key. Just select the sound and press the E key. It would come to up. So as you can see now, it is extending our line. So first, if this kind of case comes in yours, just select your audio and make sure the white line is at the ending of our footage or video, and press Command and B, and then you can see this extra audio. Just click backspace on it. Now you can see it is just properly aligned. Yeah, it's now good. So now if you want to fade your audio, just you can see two dots over here that appeared. When you take your cursor on that, it gets to this kind of shape. Just take it and drag it to your desired place from both the sides. Now you can see your audio is faded. I don't know you can see in mine, but in your you probably will see. So now if you want to delete your audio, as you know, just press it and click backspace. And if you want to undo, Command Z, and if you want to redo, then Command Shift and Z. So I want to undo now, so Command Z. And now one more thing. If you want to delete something from a media, so just click on that and press Command and backspace. It will show you this, delete from iMovie library. If you want to delete it. If you don't want to delete it, just click on cancel. In my case, I want to cancel it because I want to explain you using this video. So just click on cancel. So thank you for watching, friends. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel.